Hello there, beauties. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video. You're watching 2026 Black Women Low Maintenance Short Haircuts. Within this video, you're surely going to find something you like, especially if you maintain a natural type hair, whether it's a 4A or 4B or 4C type hair, or even from 3. You're surely going to find lots of amazing and unique type of hairstyles right here to inspire you into looking your best. We have a variations of hairstyle collections for you to have a wonderful time rocking a very unique look. You can find varieties of hairstyles right here, even varieties of hair color inspiration to give you a unique look. We really encourage you to watch the video through the end. You can find coily type of haircuts right here. You can also find the Afro style haircuts or the TWA style haircuts to give you an amazing look. Again, we encourage you to watch the video through the end to find something really amazing and lovely for yourself. It's all about you getting that standout haircut and looking good and feeling good about yourself. It's all about you knowing that these styles exist and of course trying it out yourself. You should definitely check out our playlist for all things natural hair right here on our channel, and you'll surely come across something you love or a way you would love to style your natural hair. So let us hear again from you what you think about this amazing video. You'll find natural hair with lovely and amazing highlights. Yes, something stand out, something unique to give you an amazing look. Again, at the end of the day, it's all about you, your options, your taste, your selection, and we really hope you make the best of it right here as you watch this video and even the video after this. Keep coming back for more right here on our channel. Keep it to us here always. You take care. Bye.